This is our cheap, easy, delicious, healthy kidney bean curry. Let's show you how we make it.
To start off with, get a large pan and add some sunflower oil, and then when it's hot you can go in with your spices. We've gone in with some bay leaves, cardamom and cinnamon.
Leave the spices to cook for a few minutes and then you can add in your ginger paste to build on that base. Make sure you put your lid on just in case the ginger starts to spit, and then we can leave that to cook for a few minutes.
If you like curry, give us a like and subscribe and check out our other curry recipes.
Now the spices are cooked, we can build in our rich tomato base. So we've added in our blended tomatoes, and we've also added in half a tin chopped tomatoes to add to the texture of the curry.
Now to season the curry and give it an extra kick, we've gone in with salt, chili powder and ground cumin. The chili powder adds a nice kick to the curry, but if you like it milder you can add a bit less, and if you want it more spicy, add up to 3 teaspoons of chili powder.
Now to let the spices infuse into the rich tomato base, so give it a good mix and leave uncovered to simmer for at least 30 minutes.
Kidney beans is a good source of protein for vegetarians, and we've washed and drained 3 tins of kidney beans and added them into our tomato base.
This curry is packed full of flavour and we're not done yet. So we're going to add in our garam masala and we're going to add in some coriander and give it a really good mix.
Leave it to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes to let the flavours develop, and then that's it, we're done. This curry is perfect for an easy midweek feast.